This time on Motivated Carnage, the Grape Ape gets a windshield. And of course, we find a bunch more broken stuff that we're going to have to fix. Better do that before we start driving it on the daily. So I'm waiting for the glass guy to get here to replace our cracked windshield here. And this has been a problem. So I figured, let's take a look at it. Okay, so I removed the quick release steering wheel here. There we go. And look at this. It's missing bolts. So we're going to take this little sleeve off. Wait, what? Oh, that's lovely. We've been driving. Oh, it's finger tight. Oh, wow. This is a real custom job here, ladies and gentlemen. The Grape Ape. So it's straight up custom. Is that what we're gonna call it? Okay, yeah.
Throw your hands up if you with it. Drop it.
Well, I got the cowl vacuumed out, front valance there, full of leaves and debris from years of abuse and sitting. But apparently I'm in trouble with the supervisor because we haven't been playing with enough tennis balls. Huh? What's going on with that, bud? Are you ever not a puppy? Let me just ask you that question. You want me to throw it? Okay. You got to give it to me if you want me to throw it, you crazy boy. Come on. Give, you crazy boy. Give. I win. Okay, let's go. Back up. I don't know how well I'm going to throw this with a camera in my hand, but here we go. He's gone. I think the supervisor approves. Grape Ape windshield fixed. You happy? Good. We're gonna get these gauges fixed next. That's annoying. I don't like how they're sticking out of the casual redneck like. I gotta fix that. And then probably some window tint. What's supervisor? What you need? This crunched, destroyed tennis ball? You need this? Okay, hold on. Come on, slow kid, get back here. Come on. Hustle, hustle, hustle.